how to send an email to one person in Mailchimp. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how easy it is to send only one email to one and only person within your Mailchimp platform. It is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over Mailchimp.com. Then you are going only to sign in for an account. As you can see here, we have the access to the admin dashboard. So we have all the statistics and all of the good things. So right there, we have the menu. So we are going to head over the audience. Then we are going to select all contacts from this left side menu. And then we are going to see here the management of the audience. So right here we have the lots of audience that we have added or the email addresses. These are only for the purpose of the video emails, so they are not some real addresses. So you can go ahead and create your own addresses or import your own contact. So let's say that we don't have any email. Then we are going to add the specific contact. So we are going to click on add a single contact. Then we are going to set up the email address of it, the first name, last name, address, here city, phone number if you want, birthday, image URL, and you can add some text to it. So I'm going to add the information about that email. So here we have added the email address. This is just a random email address that I have added. You can add, for example, the first name, the last name, the city, and the address of that person. Then you are going to switch to the other things. So I'm going to add here, we have here permission to add this. Now we are going to add the permission. Yes, I'm going to add it to our contact. Here we have it set. Now we are only going to add this person or create a campaign based on this person. So we are going to click on create. Then we have three options: regular email, automation, landing pages. So we are going to click on regular email only. Then we are going to set up here the content of the email. So the thing right here that we are going to add or to make is to set up the audience. For example, here you are going to choose an audience. So we are going to add it to member, for example. Then we are going to add, for example, a new segment. You are going to create a new segment. So we are going to put here only email address is, for example, Jax at gmail. Here we are going to see if the preview I have wrongly made the contact like that, Jax at gmail.com. So we are going to add the filter or choose it like this. So we are going to review the segment. Now we should find this email. So we are going to use the segment. Here we have created only one subscriber. Then you are going to personalize maybe the field or let it as it is. We are going to only to send it to one subscriber. Then from here we have the sender. Make sure to use your own email address or the business email address that you have here. The subject, you're going to add a subject. For example, here, news or invitation. For also the preview text, make it invitation, and boom. For the content of the email, you are going to click on design. Then we are going to select a template, prepare that specific template. Then you're going to make that. For example, this is a free template. We are going to wait for it. Boom, here we have it. Now we are going only to continue modifying here template manually. This is the older version of the template editor. When you finish everything by setting here everything, now you are going to click on continue. Then we are going to click on send. Here we have some problem with this, but it is not very urgent. Click on send and boom. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.